What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video we will be getting into an embroidery design which will be the Dexter's character. I don't know if anybody know the 90s TV show from Cartoon Network, Dexter's Laboratory, with him and his sister Dee Dee, if I can remember. It's been a while, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and stitch that character out, and hopefully you know, you guys will like the character stitch out. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, so I have everything already set up and ready. The first color is white, so go ahead and put that, press your foot down and click go. Something I didn't do, which I think it's going to be okay. What I should have did at the beginning was do a outline first, just to see where everything is going to be at and see if it was going to be big enough, but we're just going to go with it and see how everything turned out. I just want to throw this out there real quick. I'm not to say I'm bragging, not to say I'm better than anyone or anything, but personally, me just searching YouTube and searching for videos similar to mine, I feel like maybe I am unique. Maybe it's just me, but I try to do things that I don't see on YouTube. No offense to nobody who's doing something on YouTube. I just try to do just something different, you know what I mean? Just to bring back some memories. So I will do a 90s cartoon, we'll do a 90s movie or 80s movie, or a favorite rapper, you know what I mean? So, or, you know, an artist or anybody, a movie star, somebody you like. So that's what I like to put on the channel, you know what I mean? To give guys some excitement, you know, or women some excitement, you know what I mean? So, all right, so the white is done. Now we are going to go ahead and switch the colors, which it will be this. Specifically, I cannot tell you what color that is, but that's the color we're using, and that's what the screen says. So we're gonna do what the screen says right now. And leave that, pull that down just to lock it. Let me know if you guys want to see another threading tutorial video, if you want me to show that. So, and also the bobbin as well, thread the bobbin. So let me know, guys. So real quick, what I will do is go ahead and cut this jump stitch. If I can get under there. Perfect. All right, my hands is kind of big. Okay, didn't do nothing there.
5 hours later.
Perfect. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start the video up. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so while we wait and watch this dope and amazing video, go ahead and do me a huge favor. Hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and also thumbs up the video. It would be greatly appreciated, guys. Thank you again for the support. And also, on another side note, real quick, and mainly towards the 90s, baby, I'm not saying nobody else was watching it, but what was your favorite cartoon to watch on Cartoon Network, basically? If anybody have a suggestion or a favorite cartoon that you used to watch late night, go ahead, put those in the comments below. I know I had one specific cartoon, which was one of my favorites, which would be Courage the Cowardly Dog. Don't know why, but it was dope. It was a nice cartoon. It was cool as a kid to watch, but that was one of my favorites. So yeah, go ahead in the comments and let me know what was one of your favorite cartoons to watch on Cartoon Network. And maybe we got something in common. So go ahead and put those in the comments below. Thank you, thank you. Great. All right, now we're going to go into the next color, which would be like a light blue, sky blue. So it's crazy that I use this blue, not realizing that I have to use a blue color, but they're probably kind of the same. Not all the way, but similar, kind of close. So let me go ahead and swap out threads and be right back. Stay tuned, guys. So quick question, guys. Let me know if you like when I give you some tips and stuff with the videos. Do you like when I'm talking a lot? Or do you just want me to be quiet and just watch the video? Let me know, guys, in the comments below how everything is turning out. Do it look good? Great. Do I need to stop embroidering now? Do I need to quit my day job? Let me know, guys. Once again, I do appreciate everyone's feedback. And like I said, thank you to everyone for the support. And more videos coming soon. Real quick though, do it look like Dexter? Yes, no, maybe so. Maybe the hair tell it. That's coming up next. Maybe it's the hair. So we're gonna get into that soon, guys. Stay tuned. We are going to the next color, and we are going to be getting into the hair. So let's go ahead and change this thread out, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start now. All right, so the original color for the hair was supposed to be this, like a brownish looking color. And honestly, I don't remember his hair being brown. I thought it was like a orangish red or something like that. So I was gonna go with red because just doing the research and looking up what was his hair color, it says it was red, but I doubt if it was that a bright red. So this is the other closest thing I could get to right now. So hopefully it kind of looks like it matches up, but we'll know soon. So regardless of what the color was supposed to be, I love this color way better. Just to throw it out there. So it's more cartoonish anyway, instead of, I guess, it's trying to be more realistic with the brown hair. So looks dope. Coming out clean. All right, so we are done with this color and on to the next color, which would be purple for his gloves. Let's get into that now. Just changing out the thread. This one shouldn't take too much long. It'll be a minute, it says on the screen. So the black is the longest so far, for 17 minutes. The outline of everything. So perfect. Go ahead and clip that, and off to the black we go. So, you know what? I was going to cut the jump stitch, but since it looks like it's going to get embroidered over it anyway, let's leave it. This is the last color anyway, so yeah, go ahead and leave it. Coming out real clean. Y'all see it. It's time for the stunner shades. No, let me stop playing, but for real though, it's coming out great. Loving the design. Hey, you never know. Might come out with some Dexter merch. Never know. Definitely stay tuned for that, guys. If you're still watching, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. Greatly appreciate it, guys. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Alrighty. We are done. Finished embroidering. So you know what that means. Time to take it out the hoop and show you guys the final result. Stay tuned. Alright. So let me know what you think. And just looking at some parts. Pull comp here. Some more pull comp there. And just a little bit around the edges. So some pull comp there. I don't want to add pull comp to the black. Just because it is the border. And of course, I can't stretch it, but so much. So I think I'm gonna add the pull comp to the other areas. So like the jacket might have to have some pull compensation. So just have to add those. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about the video. How did the design come out? Put it back some. See a little bit of it. Well, you're gonna go back some more so you can see more of it. So let me know, how did the video turn out? Do it look like Dexter? Yes, no, maybe so. Let me know what you guys think. As always, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed, guys, and always continue to strive for greatness. One love.